Hello viewers, a very good morning. It's Isma as usual back again from FX Kampala. Have you ever wondered if there is possibly any ways or any way you can literally make money from the financial markets? That is if you don't know how to trade. You literally want to learn how to trade, but then you don't have time to learn how to trade. Well, it's the reason I created this particular video. So if you ever thought of this, then you ideally must have done what we call copy trading, or must have thought of doing copy trading. What is copy trading? Copy trading is actually copying trades from someone that is literally so good at trading, know how to trade, has experience into the markets, but then when these people usually buy, there is literally a lot that is involved to, for them to decide on whether they should buy or they should sell any asset class, any instrument, any currency pair. Then it's always good if we copy trades from this person. So in this video, I hereby tell you, give you step by step, things that you should practically do for you to probably copy trades from this particular person. So I create it, it's very precise, it's very simple for you to do this. So ideally, I'm creating this video for those that don't know how to trade but want to make money into the financial markets. Two, there are those that literally would love to learn trade by themselves, but then lack time to have time for them to learn this. Then this video is for you, all those that are already trading but would love to copy from someone with experience, someone that is so good at trading, but then they don't have access to them. So in this video, I help you set up your trading account, technically copying from someone that you know how they've been trading, that are experienced. However, if you haven't subscribed onto our YouTube channel, please do, such that you enjoy such content we do release. You can also visit other social media platforms of ours. That is Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Just type in FX Kampala, you'll find such information. You can also click onto the bell, such that you're among those few people that we notify every time we search to release content. You can also share it to your friends and family, such that they benefit from this. So without any wastage of time, we're getting direct to see how step by step can we set this. Please be alert. Make sure every step that we happen to do, you're free to pause and play, such that you don't miss out on anything. Join me as we get directly onto our laptop to see how we can ideally set up this account. For those that don't know how to trade, for those that know how to trade, then it's gonna be a new chapter of your life in trading. That is if you watch this video till the end. So for those that have an HF account, or rather, you can also just come to FX Kampala. That is our website. That is www.fxkampala. As you see onto our screen, you come and when you reach homepage of FX Kampala will look like this. The homepage of FX Kampala will look like this. When you reach there, just come here on the section of brokers, and then just click on the word HFM markets. Now start the registration. Once you're done with the registration, then you're going to be at the same pace with us. However, for those that have an account with HFM, let's just get directly and see how we can set ourselves a copy trading account. So all we have to do is basically go to the website or go to our browser and type in HFM, and we log in onto our account. When we log in onto our account, just like the way I'm doing, I'm going to log in, then I'll get onto my account. So when you log in, we believe your account is already verified, approved. However, in any case you happen to find any challenges, we're going to put our contact in this video, ideally at the beginning, mostly importantly. That's where we shall put our contact. In any case you happen to find any challenges, don't hesitate to contact us. We shall be in position to help you. So if your account is verified, you have to make sure that you have deposited that money that is to be invested. So to deposit, just come to deposit, go to mobile money, put in the amount, deposit that money. So all these steps to deposit, to withdraw are within that particular video I created of how you can create a Forex trading account up here. So having done that, having deposited the money will be at this particular point. So as you can see on this account of mine, I'm having $30. So I'm literally looking forward investing this $30 for copy trading account. When you're done reaching here, or when you're done depositing, all you have to do is to scroll slowly down till where there is the word HF copy. When you reach HF copy, click on this draw down. When you click on this drop down, come where there is follow a strategy. When you click on follow a strategy, the steps are going to be very simple. So they're literally going to list a couple of different Forex traders that we have you can ideally copy from. However, there are certain things that should be in mind, should be in place for you to choose a particular trader that you want to copy from. So this is the list, as you can see it. This is the list. This is the list. Okay, there are quite a number of them. The list is endless. However, you can also change the format of how you can view them. There is a format here. When you click here, you can change the format so the display such that the display is easier for you to view details. However, let me get back. I prefer this one because it comes by default. So what you do, you can always come here among the traders that you're going to choose from, and you select filter. You're putting parameters. So you can select the minimum required amount is always $25 for you to start copy trading account. So you can always select different parameters that you want. You can say, I need a trader. I need all traders because let's say my capital is 500. Let's say my capital is $30. Say I want whatever. You can say 500 and the system will bring all those with 500. Then you can also come to indicators here. Gain are those that have a gain above 20%. You can also click onto that. You can also select the maximum drawdown, or is look for those that are 30. Their maximum drawdown. The lowest, the highest one has dug down. They are dug a deep into their account. Then you can also select the performance. Those with performance fee. This is the amount of money you share. So if I've made 100%, so the share is measured in terms of 100%. So you can say 5%, we share 5%. The system will bring you all those traders that are willing to share 5% of the profits they have made. 20, 30, 50, blah, blah, blah. This is the performance fee. We call it performance fee. Then the score is measured based on performance, how literally one is performing. So you can say those that are 5, 4, or 3. You can always choose from 3, 4, and 5. Then followers, we can always go for those that are above 100 followers. Then you can select the country. You can select the account type, pro, premium, cents, and also the currency. Having selected all those, you can then click on save changes. Once you click save changes, it will bring all those traders you have selected that literally have all the properties you've just put in, you've just feed into this. Now, having done that, then always the one with the best requirements, the one with the best scores will always come first here. Once you see him, this one has made a gain of 3,321.84%. So you can always take this one. The score is 1 out of 5. You can always go for 1. You can always go for 3 out of 5. Followers, I always look up for followers. So you click follow if you prefer this. When you click follow, it literally means that you have selected now someone you're going to be copying. Then you can always put in the amount of money that you want to invest as your investment. Let's say I'm putting this. Then volume allocation, the percentage of your money that you want to allocate, not him to expose a lot of all your money. You can say 70% of my account. Rescue level is done. So like we said, you're going to put in the amount of money here. Then the amount of money here, they will tell you the minimum requirement for this particular account, and that money has to be already on your trading wallet. Then you do the volume allocation, 80%. Then the rescue level, you can do like 25%. And then they will also bring the ID number that you're supposed to put to add. So you put in 348857. After you've done that, you click start trading. Now, once you click on start trading, you have to click on I acknowledge. When you click on I acknowledge, they send you an email where you have the login details for your MT5 trading account. So all you have to do is to go to your trading MT5 trading account, MT4 trading account, you put in these logins. So once you put them, these ones are just, or you can put them in your phone. These ones are just for you to follow and see how this person has been trading, how their trades are. So you just need to put in these logins in your MT5 or in your MT4. Like for this, automatically the system gives you the details for MT5. For this case, they give you, as you can see, they give you the details for MT4. So go in your MT4, put in those logins with them, and then once you log in with them, you can ideally see how this person trades. You can even see the profits and the losses. If you've made very big profits, you can always close them by yourself. You can literally do anything. It's just like a normal MT4 trading account, only that this time around, someone else, the system is copying from. And that's it. And with that, having done that, we've done it in a few times here and there, and then you will start earning money in the Forex market minus you yourself knowing how to trade, minus you yourself wasting time to trade, minus you yourself giving someone money, and this person probably they may steal this money from you. So this is one of the safest ways you can, if more money you put, the more rewards it will bring. Thank you so much. Hope you learned something from this. Have a lovely day. Enjoy.